Before I step into any workshop, I want to meet with you and understand your audience, their challenges, their goals, and dreams, because I want to customize an experience that moves them and their business forward. For the past 2 decades, I have helped entrepreneurs and their teams bring their vision to life with the power of marketing. And that's why I built the 4% Code, a framework to help them design, build, fuel, and scale their businesses. I have done workshops on designing a scalable business, leveraging technology and an interactive site with AI to sell, service, and market 24/7. I have also done workshops on content marketing and paid advertising to get closer and connect with their direct target audience.
How many of you guys know exactly what number you're gonna hit by the end of the year? The next piece that we wanna do on our site is we wanna educate and connect with them. And we wanna find ways to get them to give us their information. Like we want them to raise their hand and say, hey, I'm interested.
In every session, we learn, we interact, and we ask key questions. But more importantly, we walk out with answers and action plans to move the organization forward. Let's connect and let's talk about your next workshop.